Short sale information, Green Tree Success. Looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Ridley, certified default advocate, distressed property expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us. Hey, today let's talk about another win with Green Tree. Now, sports fans, I gotta tell you, while most agents hate Aquin and Green Tree, I gotta tell you, I truly love working with them both. We received another approval from Green Tree. The loan was a first and a second with Green Tree, and both were more than 6 months late. That 6 months is a key issue. It's key because many times once a second is 6 months or more behind, the loan gets charged off and sent to a collections company. Much harder to get done that way. When we initiated the short sale, we confirmed that Green Tree would be working with both the first and the second at the same time. As we worked the file, we continued to confirm that the two loans were being worked simultaneously. Well, wouldn't you know it, just when we received the approval letter, only the first was included. Bummer. Anyway, as it turns out, during the final phase of the approval process, the second was charged off and sent to collections. We were fortunate enough to have caught it as soon as we received the approval on the first and went right to work on the second. It took us about a week or 10 days to get the second approval, but all's well that ends well, and we're going to be able to get this homeowner out from over $350,000 of debt, including a $100,000 HELOC that would have stayed in place if the property was foreclosed on. A new homeowner gets to move in, and because this was an above asking price cash offer with no appraisal required, we're actually going to help home values in the neighborhood. Life is good. Now, is a short sale right for you? Give me a call. Let's find out. To get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today. If you've got short sale questions, I'd love to talk to you. You'll call me today, you'll sleep better tonight, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.